Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text into a PDF from Podio Status using PDF.co and Integromat. Let's start. First, go to your Podio workspace and add a new status with attachments. Now that you're done creating a Podio status, let's go ahead and create a new scenario in Integromat. For your scenario, create a Podio module and select Watch Files. Then set up your Podio module. For Watch, select Workspace. Then, select the organization where your workspace is located. Select the workspace that you're going to use. Select the maximum number of returned files that Integromat will work during one cycle. Then, select where your file is attached, in this case, its status. Lastly, select all files. Now that you're done with the Podio module, create another module for PDF.co. Then, select Add Text and Images to a PDF. Now, set up your PDF.co module. For the input file, select Upload a file, then choose Podio as the source file. For the parameters, set text annotations to add the text in your PDF. Once you're done setting up the modules, you may now run the scenario. The scenario runs successfully. You may now get the output link to check the result. Here's the result PDF after adding the text. That's it for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our YouTube channel or on our website. Thanks for watching.